In this video, I'm going to go through the process of creating a boot disk. Boot disk will be used to restore an image drive. When your computer drive, the boot disk of your computer drive is not operational, you can boot from this CD or flash drive that you create and restore an image onto a new drive or existing drive. So you're going to need this, and this is how you create one. From the home screen, click on Image Backup, then launch the Image Backup tool. Image Backup tool has several buttons on the left. One of them is Boot Disk. Click on Boot Disk. We're going to do an advanced. Click Next. This is a wizard and walks you through the creation of a boot disk. You will need to go to a download site on Microsoft's website. Clicking the button will take you there, and here you will download a file called adksetup.exe. Once the file is downloaded, click the Next. Browse to where you downloaded the file, usually your download folder. And click on Install. Confirm. And this will install the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit into this folder that is pointed here. You may want to make a note of this folder. Click Next. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to go through it. So clicking Next will just install it in the proper folder. I'm going to cancel it and come back here. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and search for that folder, which will be Windows Kit. The program files 86 Windows Kits. I installed the 10 version, so mine will be here. I'm going to click Next. Create image. And this will take a couple of minutes to create an ISO image file. So here, once it's created successfully, you will need to click Next. And if you're going to create this boot disk on a CD, have a writable CD inserted in there. If not, if it's going to be a flash drive, insert your flash drive and it'll show up here. You can refresh it so that it reads your CD drive or your existing flash drives. I had one inserted. I will select that and click Finish. It will start writing the ISO file that it created onto the CD or your flash drive. That will take a few minutes. So the process completed. Now we have a flash disk, a bootable flash disk we can use to boot our computer and restore an image backup. Thank you for watching.